Reflectix offers a wide variety of energy-efficient insulation and radiant barrier products that are easy to handle and install. These include our reflective double bubble insulation, radiant barrier, and concrete slab insulation. We also offer an expansion joint, sill seal, and a variety of tape products. The Reflectix flagship product is our double-sided 94% plus reflective film enclosing 2 layers of heavy gauge polyethylene bubbles. For the DIYer and Pro, this insulation is extremely versatile and has over 20 applications around a residential home. The product is available in a wide variety of dimensions. It is offered in 16, 24, and 48-inch widths by 25, 50, and 100-foot lengths. For the HVAC professional, there are 2 duct insulation options. The double reflective bubble product already described, and a big bubble duct insulation. This is a double-sided 94% plus reflective film enclosing 1 layer of heavy gauge large polyethylene bubbles. The double reflective bubble insulation provides an R4.2 or R6.0, and the big bubble product nets an R8.0. The double reflective bubble Hvac products are available in 12, 16, 24, 36, 48, and 60-inch widths by 50, 100, and 125-foot length. The Big Bubble Duct product comes in a roll 48 inches by 75 feet in length. For the post frame and metal building contractor, there are 2 double bubble insulation options. The already described double reflective insulation and a single-sided reflective bubble product. This has a 94% plus reflective film on one side and a sheet of white polyethylene on the other. There are multiple wall and roof locations within these structures that can benefit from the installation of these 2 types of reflective insulations. The contractor has the option of several product sizes for these applications, which include 16, 24, and 48-inch widths by 50, 100, and 125-foot lengths. Please note, for all reflective bubble insulation and radiant barrier applications, at least one reflective, shiny side of the product must face an airspace to provide thermal benefit. DIY and Pro products are available through your big box retailers or their websites. The HVAC duct insulation is available to the Pro installers through HVAC distributorships. And the metal and post frame building installations are available through commercial building products distributors. Also available from Reflectix is our radiant barrier. It has a 95% reflective film on both sides, enclosing a heavy gauge woven polyester fabric. This product is highly effective in reducing heat gain in attics, resulting in a cooler home and less AC usage. The product is offered in a convenient and easy to handle 48-inch by 125-foot roll. It is available through big box retailers and commercial building product distributors. For printed installation instructions or submittals, PDFs per application are available on our website at www.reflectixinc.com. Reflectix also offers concrete slab insulation, a sill seal, an expansion joint, and a variety of tapes. For more information on our Reflectix products and/or applications, please click or call www.reflectixinc.com or 1-800-879-3645. Thank you for your attention. We appreciate your interest in Reflectix products.